Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to bring you an unboxing and review of the HP DeskJet 2722e printer. If you're in the market for a versatile and efficient printer, you're in for a treat. Let's dive right into it. As we unbox the HP DeskJet, you're going to be seeing, what's in the box in a few minutes. But let's just talk about the packaging itself. It's sleek and sturdy. It feels strong, like it can withstand any kind of delivery damage that might occur while you're ordering the printer. In my case, I got it from Argos. So I got it like the following day. Pretty affordable. When I got this while making this video, cost about £40. So yeah, but on the package it looks really good. The picture shows you what you should expect on the inside, so I guess we'll be seeing when we set it up if the picture does it justice. And on the package, I'm just going to try and read what I can see on there. It says you can print, you can scan, you can make photocopies, connectivity, it does dual band Wi-Fi with self-resetting, paper handling, it can take about 60 sheets in the input tray. It has a small LCD screen with buttons, and warranty is up to 2 years. HP warranty, and it's best for everyday documents. So basically that's what you have on the box, and let's see what's inside while we open this up. So right out of the box, we've got the printer, we've got documentation, we've got cable, we've got starter ink cartridges that we need to get the printer all set up. So we're just gonna lay them all out for you to have a quick look, and the next step we will be assembling and setting it up. So from what we can see on the package while we were looking at the box, it seems setting it up will be a breeze, and we'll be seeing that now because I'm going to be setting this up using my phone, connecting to the printer using the HP Smart app, and we'll be going through this together. We're going to first put in the power cable and install the ink cartridges as well, and set up the wireless option, and watch it print out for the first time. Now that we've got the printer all set up, we can talk about some of the key features. The HP DeskJet 2722e offers wireless printing, which is a very great feature that you can see now on all these budget-friendly printers. We moved away from the era where you have to be sitting down right next to your printer connected to a USB cable. You can be in the comfort of another room and the printer in another room and still send documents straight up to the printer without having to sit right next to it. Gives you that convenience and easy mode of printing. So that means you can print from your smartphone, from your tablet, using the HP Smart app. We'll be looking at the printing performance and sending documents and seeing what it looks like. Well, I'd say I'm really impressed with the printing quality of the HP DeskJet 2722e. Whether it's document or photos, the colors are vibrant and the text is sharp. We'll print out a sample document to give you a closer look. I'll be using the scanner to scan it into the system so you can have a proper view, without having to looking at it through the lens of a camera. And also that leads to the additional features of this printer. It has beyond printing, this printer also exceeds and excels in scanning and copying. The flatbed scanner allows you to digitize documents and photos effortlessly. It's a versatile all-in-one solution for your home, office, or personal use. So in conclusion, I'd say you have it, the HP DeskJet 2722e printer. From its sleek design to its user-friendly features, it's a printer that truly delivers. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just need a reliable printer at home, the DeskJet 2722e has you covered. So thank you for watching, thank you for looking at the pictures, and you can make up your mind from the views and the documentation samples that I've uploaded in this video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews and unboxing videos, also DIY contents. Feel free to leave comments, questions below. Thank you for watching.